Limiting beliefs are invisible walls inside your mind. They act like hidden programming, silently shaping your decisions, actions, and ultimately your destiny. Everyone has them. They come from childhood experiences, cultural conditioning, past failures, or even words spoken by people we trusted. The problem is not that we have limiting beliefs. It's that most of the time, we don't even realize they're running our lives. They quietly whisper things like, "I'm not smart enough. I don't deserve success. People like me never make it big. I always mess things up. It's too late for me to change." The good news is that beliefs are not permanent. They're not facts. They're simply patterns of thought that got repeated so often, your brain wired them in as truth. With the right tools, you can unwire old beliefs and rewire empowering ones. In this guide, we'll explore what limiting beliefs really are, how they form in your subconscious, the science of brain rewiring, neuroplasticity, practical strategies to identify and break limiting beliefs, step-by-step techniques to reprogram your mind for confidence, motivation, and success. By the end, you'll know exactly how to release the mental blocks holding you back and design a mindset that fuels your highest potential. A limiting belief is any belief that restricts you from taking action, reaching goals, or seeing yourself as capable of growth. Unlike doubts, which are temporary, limiting beliefs feel permanent. Examples: money, rich people are greedy, or I'll never earn more than enough to survive. Relationships, I always attract toxic people, or I don't deserve love. Career, I'm not good enough for leadership, or I'll never be successful in business. Personal growth, I can't change who I am, or I don't have discipline. These beliefs create a self-fulfilling prophecy. When you believe something negative about yourself, you unconsciously behave in ways that confirm it. If you believe you're bad at public speaking, you avoid opportunities to practice, and when forced to speak, you freeze, proving the belief true. Most limiting beliefs are programmed in early childhood. By the age of 7, your subconscious mind absorbs thousands of messages without a filter. Sources include parents and family, money doesn't grow on trees, don't dream too big, school and society, grades, labels, or judgments that make you doubt your ability, trauma or failure. Painful experiences create protective beliefs like it's safer not to try. Culture and media, stereotypes and social conditioning that shape your identity. As adults, we rarely question these beliefs. Instead, we accept them as just the way things are. But neuroscience shows beliefs are mental programs, and programs can be rewritten. 3. The science of rewiring your brain. Your brain is plastic. It changes with experience. This process is called neuroplasticity. Every thought creates a neural pathway. The more you think a thought, the stronger that pathway becomes. Beliefs are simply thoughts on repeat that hardened into default wiring. Imagine your brain like a field of grass. Walk the same path every day, and a trail forms. That's your belief system. To change it, you must stop walking the old trail and create a new one by practicing new empowering thoughts and behaviors until they become automatic. Before you can get rid of limiting beliefs, you must see them clearly. A. Notice your self-talk. Write down the negative statements you often say to yourself. Do you often say, "I can't," "I'm not," or "it's too hard"? B. Look at your results. Where in life do you feel stuck? Finances, health, relationships, career? Behind every area of struggle lies a limiting belief. C. Ask why. Repeatedly. For example, I can't start a business. Why? Because I don't have money. Why? Because I think you need a lot to start. Why? Because I've always heard success is only for the wealthy. You've just uncovered the root belief. Success is only for the wealthy. A. Challenge the belief with evidence. Ask yourself, is this belief absolutely true? Find examples of people who achieve success despite the same challenges. If others can, so can you. B. Replace with empowering beliefs. Instead of, "I'm too old to change," say, "People reinvent themselves at any age. I'm just getting started." C. Visualization and mental rehearsal. Your subconscious doesn't distinguish between real and vividly imagined experiences. Visualize yourself already living the new belief: successful, confident, abundant. D. Affirmations with emotion. Affirmations only work if you feel them. Instead of mechanically repeating, say them with energy and belief. Example, I am worthy of success, and every day I move closer to it. E. Surround yourself with new programming. Books, podcasts, mentors, supportive friends. Your environment feeds your subconscious. If you want new beliefs, feed your brain new input. F. Journaling and thought reframing. Write down limiting thoughts and flip them. Example, limiting thought, I always fail. Reframe, every attempt teaches me and brings me closer to success. Here's a structured method you can follow daily. Step 1. Awareness. Catch your limiting belief in action. Example, I can't afford that. Step 2. Interrupt. Say to yourself, stop. That's just an old program. Step 3. Question. Is this belief helping me or hurting me? What's the cost of keeping it? Step 4. Replace. Create a new belief. Example, I am resourceful. I can find ways to afford what matters. Step 5. Reinforce. Repeat the new belief daily through affirmations, visualization, journaling, and taking small aligned actions. Step 6. Act as if. Behave like someone who already holds the empowering belief. Action strengthens new neural pathways. Meditation and hypnosis. Quiet the conscious mind and plant new beliefs directly into the subconscious. Gratitude practice shifts your brain's focus from lack to abundance. Anchoring success states, NLP pair empowering emotions with physical triggers so you can instantly access confidence. Habit stacking. Attach new thought patterns to existing habits, e.g., every time you brush your teeth, affirm, I am strong and capable. Colonel Sanders, KFC founder, started his empire after age 65, proving age is no barrier. Oprah Winfrey overcame poverty and abuse by reshaping her beliefs about worthiness. Jim Carrey wrote himself a $10 million check for acting services rendered before he had success, programming his mind to believe in his future. Their success stories highlight one truth: those who master their beliefs master their destiny. Rewiring your brain isn't a one-time fix. It's a lifelong process. To maintain empowering beliefs, keep a belief journal. Record wins that reinforce your new mindset. Avoid toxic influences that trigger old patterns. Practice self-compassion. You'll slip, but every time you return to the new belief, you strengthen it. Regularly update your beliefs. As you grow, new challenges will require fresh, empowering perspectives. Your beliefs are the foundation of your reality. If you want success, abundance, health, and happiness, you must build those outcomes on beliefs that support them. Remember this: beliefs are not truths, they're choices. Your brain can rewire at any age. The moment you question a limiting belief, it begins to lose power. Every small action in alignment with a new belief strengthens your new reality. You are not your past conditioning. You are not your failures. You are not the negative voices that try to define you. You are the creator of your mind. And by choosing empowering beliefs, you unlock the freedom to design your future.